What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Appreciate you guys tuning in with us today. It's Mario, Mid South Soft Wash. Man, I'm bringing you guys along on a patio cleaning that we have for today. First off, man, shout out to my mom. This is actually one of her co-workers that we're going to be taking care of this patio for. So, like I said, man, shout out to mom. So the very first thing you'll see here, we're prepping our area before we start working. Go ahead and getting all the patio furniture and everything out of the way, chairs, toys, man, whatever the customer has on the patio that we don't want either in our way or we want to make sure that we don't damage while we're working. Let's go ahead and remove those items from the patio. All right, next. So what we got right here is, man, this isn't required for everybody, or I really don't feel like it's required, quote unquote, at all. But this is something that I found that for me it works, which is when I come across a surface that has a lot of mud, dirt, mold, algae, whatever growing on the surface or stuck to the surface, what I found is once I rinse that surface off before I pre-treat the area, the pre-treatment can get down to the base of it a little better and start working and killing that mold or algae or whatever that's on that surface, or even just cut through that mud or whatever just a little bit better, man, than when I just hit it with the pre-treat and let it sit on top of that mud. So what you see right here, man, we're just rinsing this surface and prepping it for the pre-treat, if that makes sense. And then here we go. We're going to hit it with the sauce. This is our pre-treat right here that we're laying down on this concrete. It'll go ahead and start killing that mold, algae, whatever is on the surface. Go ahead and start killing that and prepping it for our surface cleaning. All right, y'all. So this is one of, if not my favorite part of doing this work, is running this surface cleaner, man. Makes a world of difference having a surface cleaner versus just, someone that's pressure washing and using a wand primarily for everything as far as your surfaces go, your concrete surfaces go. Man, this surface cleaner, man, makes a world of difference. I don't know if I'll be able to, run my business without it. Absolutely one of my favorite parts of doing this work. Surface cleaning is done. Now we're rinsing down the patio. This is including, basically we're just trying to push off all of that stuff that the surface cleaner and our chem mix broke up on this surface. We're basically trying to push all of this stuff off of the patio. If we leave this stuff here, it's basically just going to sink back down into the ground, and you'll still have that brown black discoloration that we had when we first got here. Man, look, y'all, don't kill me. I don't know the proper name for that area over there in the corner that I was just standing on. What you call that type of concrete, but it is a beast to rinse. So rinsing, like I said, this is one of the most important steps, is getting everything rinsed off after you do the cleaning. And with that particular type of concrete, man, you have to rinse it like relentlessly, man. You'll be out rinsing for a minute. At least for me, like I said, I'm running a 5.5 gallon per minute pressure washer. So it takes me a little bit to rinse that, properly to my standards.
Look, 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 look. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Man, as you can see, we cleaned up the furniture as well. We appreciate you guys for checking us out. We'll catch you on the next one.